Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shoe fly block. I've done mine scrappy. You could do yours matching with fabrics, but you know me, I like scrappy. Why use one fabric when you can use many? If you like my videos, remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a shoe fly block, you're going to want 4 background squares, 1 center square, and 4 half square triangles, and they're all going to be the same size. Use whatever method you like for making your half square triangles. I will put a card up above and a link below on the methods that I use, so you can use that or use your favorite method. Or to make our shoe fly block, we're going to put our half square triangles in the corners and our background squares along the center edges. And then we're just going to sew these into rows. So when we get our rows sewn together, then we're going to press toward the background. We do this because there'll be less resistance and bulk than if we press this toward where the half square triangle is. And I always press toward the path of least resistance. And we're just going to take our rows and sew them together, 1/4 inch along here on both sides. And that's how you make a shoe fly block. Just rinse and repeat. They're a fun block. They make an alternate pattern as you put them together. I will put links to my patterns that use this block below, or create your own. You decide. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.